In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your hosting account with Hostinger and get started with n8n, a powerful workflow automation tool that can make handling tasks more efficient and streamlined. To kick things off, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Head over to the website and enter your credentials, which are typically your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, just use the Forgot Password link to reset it. It's important to keep your login information secure and, if possible, use a password manager to help you manage your password safely. Once you're logged in, you'll need to decide on the hosting plan that best suits your needs. Hostinger offers a variety of plans designed to meet different requirements, whether you're running a simple blog or a larger e-commerce site. As you browse through the options, consider factors like disk space, bandwidth, and the number of websites you wish to host. It's a good idea to think about your current needs as well as any potential future growth for your website. Once you've made your choice, select the plan. If you're unsure, Hostinger provides helpful details for each plan, ensuring you can make an informed decision. Now that you've selected a plan, it's time to purchase it. Add the plan to your cart and proceed to the checkout process. Ensure all your payment details are correct. Double-check your billing address and payment method to avoid any hiccups. Hostinger often offers discounts or promotions, so keep an eye out for any savings you can apply to your order. Once everything looks good, confirm the purchase, and you're all set. With your hosting plan purchased, the next step is to head to your hosting panel. Here, you'll have the chance to select n8n as your operating system. This part is pretty straightforward. Find the section where operating systems are listed and look for n8n. Selecting n8n will allow you to leverage its powerful capabilities for automating workflows, which can significantly enhance the efficiency of your processes. Once you've selected n8n, take a moment to confirm your choice, and there you have it. You've successfully logged into Hostinger, selected a hosting plan, made your purchase, and set up n8n as your operating system. As you start using n8n, explore its various features and integrations. It might take a little time to get used to, but it's worth it once you see how much time and effort it can save. Don't forget to check out the Hostinger support resources if you need help. They have lots of great information and a responsive support team ready to assist you. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.